What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Hey, that's W mod, bro. W mod, no cap, bro.
Yeah, God gave me the gifts to hold on. Yeah, she like the simultaneously left the states that I came back with bag flooded. I'm up off the leash, you can't tame this. I'm trying to change my mind, get away from drugs. I turn on the car and get low. Shotty clean.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to hey, mom.
Hey.
Sorry, it's just a little intro. You good? My mama's so funny, dog. Hey, what is up, YouTube? If you don't already know, it's your boy DreGatsby coming at y'all with a banger. And today, I'm extremely excited to do this mod. It's been long overdue, and I don't know what I'm doing, but that's the best part because you can't help but to learn, get better, while also becoming smarter because you're doing things that you ain't did before. I'm about to go put some reflector lights in my car, make a fire vlog. If you don't already know about me, I'm Dre. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, but I moved to Texas, and I pretty much built a community off of cars, and I want to not only grow my platform through cars and connecting with people I don't even know yet, but just chasing my dreams. Like, I always had dreams of having fast cars, modding them, watching my dad, my uncles, all them had fast cars growing up, bro. It just do something to your soul, man. So you are interested in cars, finances, fitness, and just becoming the best you, make sure you hit that sub button and leave a like on this video because it's free. It helps out our channel and it don't cost you nothing. So let's hop into this banger. Let's go. Just pop the hood so I can take a look at the big tonka and see how I can actually reach this area right here. It's a little hard because I have to reach past my cold air intake. But I did notice while looking at the back end of the car, it's actually easy to get to it. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. If I go under here, right? It's probably hard for y'all to see it over the top of this bumper area right here, which is easy to get to. I don't have anybody right here recording me, so what I'll have to do is just disconnect it and show y'all exactly what it looks like. And yeah, I'll take it from there, but I'm just gonna go up under here and disconnect it real quick. All right, guys, so I actually disconnected them. I got one side out perfectly fine, but now I just have to disconnect the connector. And I did the same for the opposing side, which is pretty simple. Now I just gotta figure out how to get this side separated. And I think what I'm gonna do is just set something in there, probably play around with it a little bit. What? But it's still connected to this light right here. So as soon as I get that disconnected, we'll be green. Boom. I gotta go tell my dad, thank you for the flashlight, bro. Yeah. Hey, Dad. Yo. Not gonna lie, this flashlight right here, look. I'm telling you. Hey, that LED, anything LED, man, that light shit. Top tier. I'm trying to tell you. Bitty little things, dog. My pops got me right with this flashlight, man, so. Don't sleep on it, man. This last light, well, not the last one, but the opposing light, the side we just got done, was actually way easier to do. Just showed y'all how to pop that out. So now what we're gonna do, we'll take out that old LED, put in a new one. Hopefully I got the right freaking one for this side. But yeah, I'll show y'all how I do that as well. About to see right now, that is not the right size actually, guys. So just kind of size them up, make sure I got the right size. Boom, that's the right size. They line up perfectly fine. Put in the reflector light connection. Easy. Snap it right in. Pop it back. You want to go back part. You want to go back part in first, and then back part in first. Put that one in. There you go. Go in, snug, and go in. We got the old one off. It's done. Obviously, make sure you copy the right piece. Plug in. Boom. Make sure I snap in place. Everything clicks. Or I probably should do the back side first. So y'all can see, got our black lights connected and everything. Boom. New. Now guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the front side, see exactly how I can actually go up under here to disconnect the front reflector lights. It should be simple, but I think I gotta reach past my cold air intake, which may be a little hard because this is JOT. This is actually supposed to be on the Hellcat, but it's on the SRT Scat Pack. So it may be a little hard to reach past it because it's so big, but I will figure it out. I'll definitely document it so y'all boys can see, man. So chat, what I was thinking is, instead of taking out my cold air intake, what I could possibly do is remove this girdle right here, is what I like to call it. And then I'll be able to reach for it, hopefully. But that's actually what I'm gonna take apart right now, just so I can see if I can get a better angle to reach the light right here. Hopefully that will be a direct line, so I could just take off the girdle, reach my hand down, and I'll be able to disconnect the connection, which actually lights this up from the inside the engine area. So I'm gonna set my camera up right now, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I might be able to do it. So guys, what I did notice, it is way easier to reach my light on the passenger side than it is on the driver's side due to the big fat JLT cold air intake being in the way. So I'll definitely be able to disconnect this one. The other one is gonna be a problem. I think I'm gonna have to get a 10mm disconnect the nut that connects my cold air intake to the actual engine. That's for a whole nother, not video, but like that's just gonna be a little time consuming. I think I'll be able to take care of it, but that's definitely gonna be tough because, bro, this cold air intake is huge. But I think if I just get the base out of the way and remove like the shield that's around the cold air intake, it'll be easy. But somebody let me know if there's an easier way to do this probably, but I mean, my experience just helped you 10 times. So what I'm going through right now, you won't even have to go through because you should watch this video. So if this video has helped you so far, make sure you leave a like on this video. I really appreciate that. It helps us out tremendously. And why not? It's free. And I'm DreGatsby, so. All right, guys. So as you can tell, we got the old reflector light out, and now I'm gonna actually find which one goes to the front. Got it right on top. I'll just put everything back in the box just to kind of keep it easily organized. And I'm gonna just line these up real quick, make sure it's the right size. Boom, boom. I think that's the right one. I'm not even sure. My bag is just like flying away on me real quick. Oh well. But I think this is the right one right here. Yep. This is the right one right here. Grab my screwdriver. I'm gonna disconnect this connection from the old light, and I'm gonna swap the new one in. Make sure you're paying attention, bro, and paying attention to how gentle I am. Just attention to detail is very important, bro. You never want to be like rushing, messing your stuff up just because you're trying to get the job done, bro. You gotta be smart. You gotta be strategic. You gotta be gentle and patient with it when you're working on your car because it's your investment, bro. For real, you spend a lot of money on your car, so you gotta be smart with your stuff, bro. Got the old one out. Now it's time to put the new one in. Got the new one in. Boom, boom, place it back. So y'all can kind of see. You always want to put it in that back area first where the connection is, because you don't want to kind of mess up the motion of how the car actually is set up. So you want to make sure you go black first. Back, boom, and then I'm gonna just set up my camera so y'all can see me do it real quick. So what you want to do is snap in that back area first. Obviously get the light in there, snap in the back, and then push. Boom. Make sure it's snug. That's not going nowhere, bro. Easy peasy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the driver's side, and then I'm gonna figure out if I do have to take this all the way off, or can I just actually just like push it through. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy DreGatsby. It is the next day after installing the new modification on my 2020 Dodge Scat, and it was extremely dark yesterday, so I couldn't even upload the video because I still had to edit it and incorporate a few more clips. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on how the 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat is looking, man. Y'all about to be like, bro, what? I gotta go get these lights done on my job. Bro, look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Sick. This is a game changer, and I'm extremely excited to continue adding mods to my Scat. And this boy is crazy, dog, as you can tell. I got the halos to match the side markers. Shit, wow, ain't no cap. Let me know what y'all think about the new modification on my 2020 Dodge Scat. I know y'all already gonna like it, but hopefully y'all will, that'll inspire you to leave a like, bro. You know what I'm saying? Why not? It's free. I get up with y'all in a minute. Peace.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit pressure.
Yeah. God gave me the gifts to hold on. I got this shit, can't prolong. Yeah.
Yo, so just pulled up to the car wash, as you can tell. Right now I'm about to sit and mess around with my car software to see if I can get everything else to activate due to us putting in a new freaking battery, bro. So yeah, bro, we litty, man. I ain't gonna lie, this shit low-key look crazy with the tent though. My boys just popped out, man. You see how we coming? This shit low-key clean, bruh. Side skirt's crazy, but that orange off that red look wild. Yes, sir. Big whips, man. We outside, dog. You see the vibes. Sheesh. I'm low-key jealous. My shit is extremely dirty, though. Yes, sir. We outside, man. We lit. All right, y'all. Y'all see my boys just pulled up, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Alex, bro, that SRT badge, the LED is undefeated. Hey, that's W mine, bro. W mine, no cap, bro. Damn. Nah, we low key loaded, bro. We got the Chally, got the Supra, got the other Chally, Mustang. You really can't go wrong. You got a lot of flavors, bro. Let me know what y'all like the most. You dig? Look at those details on that, man. Hey, I like the license plate. The license plate code.
You'll run?
Hey, yeah. Yo, y'all know we gotta go back to back. You dig? So we gotta have the other Chally move right here, and then we gonna be back to back. And I think that's a crazy lineup. Like, you know what I'm saying? If Beasky is watching this, bruh, I know she gonna be like, dang, we got another Charlie next to it. So right now my boy just moving his, so we could be right next to each other, and we gonna probably flick up, you know what I'm saying, get some nice cinematic shots. Yo, that shit is extremely loud. I can't even lie, dog. But I'm not gonna be here too much longer. I gotta go pick up my girlfriend. I know she's probably hungry, but yeah, I'm about to get a few cinematic shots. My boy got some business to take care of, so we gonna flick up real quick, and then we gonna get up out of here, dog. No cap.